So a couple of weeks ago on Twitter, Huawei announced that they'll be debuting their new P30 series in Paris. Hi, it's Miguel from Ugitech, and in today's video, we're checking out what to expect from the new P30 series from Huawei. Roll OBB. Based off their promotional material, we think that Huawei is teasing a 10x lossless zoom. On the 20th of February, Huawei released an image of the supermoon with the watermark poorly censored out. We think that that was intentional. A simple educated guess will tell you that the complete watermark reads Huawei P30 Pro like a quad camera. In addition to that, according to case renders, the P30 Pro will have a vertical quad camera setup for the rear. The standard P30, on the other hand, will have a triple camera setup. We also expect both phones to be rocking an in-display fingerprint scanner, OLED panels, and the new Kirin 980 chipsets. Based off user agent profiles for the ELE L29 and VOG L29 smartphones, which we gather are the P30 and P30 Pro, they'll be rocking Android 9 Pie out of the box, and both phones will have a screen resolution of 2340 by 1080. So to recap, we'll flash all the info talked about in this video on your screens right now. Cool. Now, did you guys find this video helpful? Be sure to let us know in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content, and hit that bell notification icon so you never miss a thing. Again, this has been Miguel from Ugitech, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye! There we go! Alright, I have to leave.